Everybody's standing around. Everybody wants a cookie. Look at them eyes. Mommy wants a cookie. Whoop. Willie. Oh. Willie, you snooze, you lose. Punka says, I want it. No, let Sissy have one. Yeah. Yeah. Collins, you like them? Do you like them, buddy? Is them good cookies? Them are so good. Huh? Willow, she just doesn't come up. This shy cookie taker. But she says, I like them. They taste nice. I'm going to go take it over here so no one gets it. Collins, is that good? Handsome, handsome guy. Yeah, here's his beautiful mommy. Beautiful mommy. Beautiful sister Pumpkin. She says, I didn't get another one. Hey, Punk? Punk, you like these? Little frosty pumpkin. Okay, one more for the wheels. Delicious. Auntie, they're a winner. Thank you.